Hi, Bacho. How are you? Hope you are doing well for your final exams. In this session, we will discuss the most important questions from trigonometry for your final exams. In this question, it is given that sin A plus B equal to 1, tan A equal to 1. We need to find the value of B. Now we have two conditions. Based on these two conditions, let us find the value of B. So let us start with first condition. Our first condition is sin of A plus B equal to 1. Now here the trigonometric ratio is sin. So let me express 1 in terms of the sin. So already we know that sin 90 degrees equal to 1. So in the place of 1, I can take sin 90. So this can be written as sin A plus B equal to, instead of this 1, I can take sin 90. So let me take sin 90. So sin A plus B equal to sin 90. So therefore I can say my A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Let me take it as equation 1. Now let us go for second condition. The second condition, given that tan A equal to 1. So again here the trigonometric ratio is tan. So let me express this one in terms of tan. So already we know that sin 45 degrees equal to 1. So we can write it as tan A equal to, instead of this one, I can take tan 45. So tan A equal to tan 45. The value of A is 45. So then actually the question is, we need to find the value of B. So let me take A and I'll put in the equation 1. So my equation is A plus B equal to 45. So the value of A already we know. Let me substitute 45 in the place of A. This is 90, okay? So in the place of A, I'll take 45. 45 plus B equal to 90. Now B equal to 90. Let me shift 45 this side. So we'll get minus 45. So B equal to 90 minus 45 is 45. Therefore, my value of B is 45 degrees. Now, let us do one more question similar to the previous question. Here given that tan of A plus B equal to root 3. Now, here trigonometric ratio is tan. So, let me express root 3 in terms of tan. So, we know that tan 60 degrees equal to root 3. So, this can be written as tan of A plus B equal to, the root 3 can be written as tan 60. So, tan 60. So, tan of A plus B equal to tan 60. So, we can take A plus B as 60 degrees. Let me take this as equation 1. Now, let us go for next condition. Our second condition says that cos A equal to root 3 by 2. Here the trigonometric ratio is cos. Let me express root 3 by 2 in terms of cos. So we know that cos 30 degrees equal to root 3 by 2. So we can take this as cos A equal to, the root 3 by 2 can be written as cos 30. So cos A equal to cos 30. So the value of A is 30 degrees. So A equal to 30 degrees. So okay. Now the thing is, we need the value of B. So let me put this A in the equation 1. So what I will do here? Substitute A in equation 1. My equation 1 is A plus B equal to 60 degrees. So the value of A already we know. Let me take in the place of A, let me take 30. 30 plus B equal to 60. So B equal to 60 degrees minus, when I shift this side, I'll get minus 30 degrees. So B equal to 30 degrees. Let us do one more question similar to the previous questions. Here given sin of A minus B equal to 1 by 2. Now look at this. Here my trigonometric ratio is sin. Let me express 1 by 2 in terms of sin. So we know that sin 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2. So let me take 1 by 2 as sin 30. So I'll take sin of A minus B equal to, the 1 by 2 is nothing but sin 30. Let me write sin 30 there. So sin A minus B equal to sin 30. Then I can say A minus B equal to 30 degrees. So let us take this as equation 1. Now we'll go for second condition. Our second condition is tan B equal to 1 by root 3. So here my trigonometric ratio is tan. Let me express 1 by root 3 in terms of tan. So we know that tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 3. So let me write tan B equal to the 1 by root 3 is can be written as tan 30. I'll take tan 30 degrees. So tan B equal tan 30. The value of B is 30 degrees. So next what I'll do, I'll take a B value and I'll put in the equation 1. Substitute B in equation 1. So my equation 1 is A minus B equal to 30 degrees. So already know the value of B. Let me take B in the place of B. I'll take 30 degrees. So A minus the value of B is 30 equal to 30. Now minus 30 is shifted that side. So we'll get A equal to 30 degrees plus 30 degrees. Therefore I can say the value of A is 60 degrees. Let us solve one more question. In this question, given sine of A plus B equal to 1. Now our trigonometric ratio here it is sine. So let me take 1 by 2 in terms of sine. So we know that sine 90 degrees equal to 1. So this can be written as sine of A plus B equal to, in the place of 1, I can take sine 90. So sine 90, sine of A plus B equal to sine 90. Then the value of A plus B is 90. So A plus B equal to 90. Let me take this as equation 1. Now let's go for second condition. According to the second condition, tan of A minus B equal to 1 by root 3. So here my trigonometry ratio is tan. So express 1 by root 3 in terms of tan. So we know tan 30 degrees equal to 1 by root 3. So this can be written as tan of A minus B equal to 1 by root 3 is taken as sin 30. So tan of A minus B equal to tan 30. So therefore I can say A minus B equal to 30 degrees. So let me take this equation 2. Now we have two equations. The first equation is A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Second equation is A minus B equal to 30 degrees. Let us solve the two equations to get A and B values. Solve 1 and 2. So let us take A plus B equal to 90 degrees. So A minus B equal to 30 degrees. Let us go for elimination method. So plus B minus B will get cancelled. So A plus A is 2A equal to 90 plus 30 is 120 degrees. So A equal to 120. The 2 is shifted this side. So we'll get by 2. 2 on the 2 60. So A equal to 60 degrees. So once you know A value, so how to find B value? Let us take A value. Either you put in first equation or in the second equation to get B value. So let me take here the first equation. Substitute A in equation 1. Our equation 1 is A plus B equal to 90. A plus B equal to 90. So the value of A is 60. Let me take 60 in the place of A. 60 degrees plus B equal to 90. So B equal to 90. Now 60 is shifted to RHS. So we'll get minus 60. So B equal to 30 degrees. So therefore the value of A is 60 degrees. The value of B is 30 degrees.